Goodness.
That is insane.
Originals.
That is
Can't
insane.
get that again.
Today's video is what my dreams are made of. I want to start off by saying I feel so incredibly lucky. I have a box full of vintage clothing from the literal queen of fashion. My grandfather's wife is an icon. I don't want to like put them on blast, but just know she was an icon. I think you will know after I go through all of this. I am beyond honored to be in possession of even the smallest amount of her wardrobe from the 1970s all the way through the early 2000s. I don't know how she did it because I've gone to many estate sales. I've seen many a closets. Her closet, there are no misses. Every single piece that I have seen from her archives is 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. This is a little bit of a mystery box. This is overflowing and there's even more. I visit my grandpa every year and they both know that I run a vintage shop. Obviously, so many of her pieces just make it into my personal wardrobe because how could I possibly get rid of some of these? We only stayed a couple days this time. It was a little bit of a rush going through it all, so I'm already kind of forgetting what we have in here. What I do know is there is 70s Gunny Sacks. We're gonna start with that. We're gonna be unboxing an inherited mystery vintage box. It's gonna be a try on haul. I'm the most excited to try this stuff on.
Remember I said I had one that you was going to like die for? And
Wow.
I had a sheer lace top that went with it, but I don't know where that is. Oh, this is the other thing. It is so cute.
Oh, so fun.
It is so freaking cute when you get it on. Goodness.
That is insane.
Originals.
That is
Can't
insane.
get that again.
We're gonna start, I obviously could not forget, I put it in a separate bag. This is my prized possession for the rest of my life. This top will be in my will. I could not believe the amount of Gunny Sacks. This is my first Gunny Sacks piece. This is a 1970s lace ruffle Gunny Sacks blouse. Like the sleeves fully laced, look at the trim. This is the kind of piece that got me into vintage in the first place, and it is just so crazy that I own this now. This is mine. One more little tag check. A literal dream piece. I truly never thought I was going to own something like this ever, and I'm going to take the best care of it. That was a very strong start. Oh, this is cute. This is like a little y2k piece. The embroidery is so cute. Wait, I love the waistband too. I love when there's like a thick waistband. And I've been loving midi skirts lately. Very 1970s. Look at that. Wait, the floral lining is so cute. It is like this long, there are matching, I cannot wait to try this on, matching bell bottoms and a matching belt. I love like long shirts or dresses over pants too, and it's very much so because I love the 70s. You guys, what on earth? Do you get what I'm saying now? She was an icon. This is stunning. And the beaded, it's too good. Gorgeous. The fur trim cardigan. Wait. This is like silk. Sorry, I'm like literally speechless. Look at the cut of this top. The asymmetrical collar is sending me. The floral is so pretty. Very clearly silk, but this is stunning. This is going to be so pretty in the summertime. They do not make clothes like this anymore. Why does it keep getting better, you guys? I genuinely, this is the perfect piece for me. Sheer pants, asymmetrical velvet black skirt, built in over top. This is all one piece. I have never seen anything like this. And the pants are sheer and it's got these like stunning slits and the floral is sheer. I actually am like, I'm sweating. Can you think of a more gorgeous piece? I don't know how we're gonna move on from that. She's vintage. She's women's union. These tag checks are going crazy. How what blows me away every time is I'm like, how is this exactly what I would want? Like, how is this exactly what I would want over and over and over again? Like the diversity of it all, because it's like, I love the silk. I love the like coquette 70s Gunny Sacks. Obviously the lace, the ruffles, I love the pink silk, love, but I love the asymmetrical velvet skirt. And then these are also so me. It's weird to feel seen by somebody else's wardrobe. I just think it's really sweet that we are two girlies existing on completely different timelines with such similar tastes. Something about that feels like very comforting. But these are incredible. They're little capris. They're like bloomers almost, like they cinch at the bottom, and they're so well made. Like if you guys could feel, I think I see our next Gunny Sacks. This is like, I feel like I'm dreaming. Like this doesn't feel real. I never thought I would see this tag. This is 1970s Gunny Sacks. Actually be so serious right now. Look at the lace and the ribbon, the craftsmanship. These are all cotton, and I feel like I can visually see that in the pieces when I look at pictures, but now that I'm holding them, they're exactly how I thought they would be. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous skirt. We've got some white leather pants, some cachet, which is my favorite brand. It's so crazy too to think she was just buying all of this stuff new. I'm like, what I would do for a time machine to go back to like 1978 and just go shopping at any random store. These are incredible. Leather cachet pants in mint condition. Might I add, every single thing that I have seen come out of that closet that she's had since the 1970s is in mint condition. It's just really inspiring watching somebody pull pieces out that are 30, 40, some even 50 years old, and they're in excellent condition. Obviously the quality back then was way better, so that's a big part of it, and I think we just have missed that lesson because so much of what we consume now, especially fashion, is just not made to last. The leather cachet does not stop there. This is a suede, oh my apologies, goat suede. Poor goat. Oh my gosh. And it zips in the back, the pink satin lining, and I love a matching set. It's also extremely, extremely soft. Okay, this is like a Liz Claiborne sport moment. Ooh, I love when the skirts are like full like that. Just a little white skirt, just in time for summer. Oh my gosh, you guys, how early 2000s is that tag? Might even be like late 90s. A little glittery purple black tank top. Takeout is such a cute name for a brand. This is giving like a 90s cut. I see some zebra. Come on. It's so crazy seeing how full circle pieces come. Even stuff like this that feels like it's their equivalent to fast fashion, like the 90s equivalent to fast fashion, is just holding up so much better than our pieces ever would. I was Little Bo Peep for my niece's birthday, and I'm like, where was this skirt at? I wouldn't have had a hand make mine. Stop it right now, that cut. The tears, the polka dots, the little bows. This is such a cute little skirt. I love the diversity in this box. We've got some more little, oh, these are, oh my gosh. Look at these little tank tops. The brand is Sweater Project. They've got the little ruffle ribbon trim. Look, there's a pink one. They're little knit tank tops with the ruffle trim. Are you kidding me? These are gonna be so cute this summer. And matching cardigans. Matching cardigans. Paper tag. Little black dress. Little slinky, like very 90s. But I think this is older than 90s. I wish I was better at dating pieces of clothes. It's hard once you get in.
Seems hard.
I was talking to my video.
I thought you paused to talk to me. You sound so natural.
I know. I really am just talking to the girls. I'm having a lot of fun with the tags. I don't see one in this one, but it is a corduroy. The top is so cute and it ties here to cinch. It's just like a little midi dress, like a button-down corduroy midi dress. Look at this maxi skirt. You're kidding. You are actually kidding me. This is a patchwork. Look at the velvet. This is like all of the gorgeous, stunning, whimsygoth floral maxi skirts patchworked into one. Oh, this is gonna be a staple for me. This is gonna be a fall staple for me, absolutely. Maybe I could wear this to the Ren Fair next year. Moda International paper tag. I love Moda International. Tell me this is not a dress you would see at Target. Tell me this is not a dress that they've been trying to recreate. The princess cut here. This up here is a really stretchy, cottony material. Down here feels like linen. I swear I have seen this dress at Target. The back dips down. Oh, this is fun. See, there's such a wide array of like casual, dressy. I love the cut on that. This is very formal. And it zips in the back. Very fun. Oh, this is the same dress that I just showed you in black, but in green. I'm gonna see if my sister wants this one because she loves these kind of dresses. She's more of like a color girl than me. Fine, and then we can have matching dresses. Not another silk piece. It's not showing up as vibrant on camera as it actually is. It is like a bright blue. Look, and the sleeves have like a slit on them. This is gonna look so pretty in the summertime. This would make a really cute cover up, but if it's silk, I don't want to ruin it. I'm gonna have to play around with this. This will be really fun to style. How cute is this little sequined, fully gold sequined little bolero? Very early 2000s. Y'all know I love this style of top. We've got more early 2000s. See, I think it's so fun to see the early 2000s stuff. Bisou Bisou, one of my favorites. The cinched waist, almost like baby doll top-ish. I would 100% snatch this at the thrift store. Y'all know I love this. This is like fairy core, whimsical, gorgeous. The mint in this, the purple, like the colors of this is so pretty. Oh, fun. This is Bisou Bisou too. I cannot believe, like, I think about this, I'm like, I thrift these brands and I look out for these brands like crazy at the thrift store, and it's so crazy to be like, she was just buying this stuff when it came out. But this is such a cute little baby doll, glowy, summery top. Seriously, feels like the never-ending box. Look at this full lace, and the sleeves are sheer, like fully sheer, and then the cuff, I mean the whole top is sheer, but the mesh is so stunning. I wish I had a tag on it. It doesn't. I'm so curious. Okay, Celine. See, I haven't heard of that brand, and I like doing stuff like this too, because now I will just search that brand on like eBay or Depop. Absolutely no misses. I'm not surprised. Like I said, this is my second box from her, and like just every single piece she has is absolutely stunning and fully back in style. I don't know how she did it. It's sorcery. Oh my god, I forgot to show you. Along with everything I just showed you, I also got 3 petticoats. This is a bridal one. Look at the purple, the ruffles. These are my first ones that I've owned. I cannot wait to try them on. They're so big, I'm not even gonna bother breaking them out, but you will see them in the try on. So many of these pieces I can't wait to use to style stuff for sidetrack, especially like the petticoats. That's just so fun. I got a giant hoop skirt, which I've never owned one of those before either. She's just an icon, and I feel unbelievably lucky and grateful. What a fun box of clothing to open. Thank you for letting me share it with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love vintage, I love clothes. There will be some thrifting content coming up soon, so stay tuned for that, but I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye guys.